Hey everyone, welcome back to Market Watch. Understanding the stock market can feel like trying to read a foreign language. But don't worry, I am here to break it down for you in a way that's simple and easy to understand. We'll be taking a deep dive into the Indian share market on this 12th of March 2025. Now, we've got a lot to cover today, from understanding the market's overall mood to figuring out if we're in for a bullish run. We'll also be shining a light on the stars of the day, the top gainers, and those who didn't have such a good day, the top losers. So buckle up and let's get started. Alright, so let's start by unpacking what went down in the Indian share market today. The first thing we always look at is the benchmark indices. Think of them as the pulse of the market. Today, the Sensex closed at mention points, which is a mention percentage up-down change. Then we have Nifty, the NSE benchmark, which wrapped up at mention points, marking a mention percentage up-down change. But remember, these numbers tell just a part of the story. Now, what really got the market buzzing today? Well, there were a couple of key events that you should definitely know about. Talk about the key events of the day. Could be a new policy announcement, global market trends impacting the Indian market, etc. For example, pick one of the events mentioned above and explain how it impacted the market. Give an example of a company sector that was particularly affected. Remember, every twist and turn in the market tells a story. So stay with me, ask your questions in the comments below, and let's decode this market puzzle together. Now, the question everyone's asking: will the market start a bullish movement in a week? Well, predicting the market is a bit like predicting the weather. We can make educated guesses, but there's always an element of uncertainty. However, let's look at some signs. Currently, the market sentiment seems to be positive and negative. Why? Give 2 to 3 reasons for the current market sentiment. Mention 2 to 3 technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, etc., and explain what they suggest about the market. But remember, technical indicators are just one piece of the puzzle, and it's crucial to consider all factors before making any investment decisions. So, while the market shows signs of indicate whether the signs point towards a bullish or bearish trend in the coming week, remember, it's essential to do your own research and make informed decisions. Chapter 3. Decoding today's top gainers and losers. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, the top gainers and losers of the day. Understanding why certain stocks rise while others fall can give you valuable insights into market dynamics. So, today's top 3 gainers are: name the top 3 gainers and mention their percentage increase. Let's take a closer look at why they performed so well. Pick one of the top gainers and explain in detail the reason for its surge. It could be a new product launch, a deal, positive quarterly results, etc. The top 3 losers for today are: name the top 3 losers and mention their percentage decrease. Now, pick one of the losers and explain the reason for its fall. It could be negative news, a weak quarterly report, regulatory issues, etc. Chapter 4. What's brewing in tomorrow's market? Finally, let's turn our attention to what's brewing in tomorrow's market. While we can never predict the future with absolute certainty, there are a few things on the horizon that could impact market movement. Firstly, keep an eye on, mention an upcoming event and explain how it can potentially impact the market. This could be anything from an important economic data release to a major policy announcement. Secondly, mention a company sector that will be in focus and explain why. This could be due to an upcoming earnings report, a new product launch, or any significant development within that sector. Thirdly, global cues will also play a role. Mention any global event that could influence the Indian market. So stay informed, stay updated, and most importantly, make sure you're subscribed to Market Watch for your daily dose of stock market insights. Outro. See you tomorrow. That brings us to the end of today's market analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who are also looking to understand the stock market better. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Market Watch, for your daily dose of stock market updates. Until tomorrow, happy investing.